Okay, so good day everyone. I am here to talk about one of the international relation organization, the International Monetary Fund. So when we say International Monetary Fund, it promotes financial stability, leader in managing global economic crisis. So the function of this organization is to sila yung mga nagsusuri sa kanilang mga country members upang sila ay mas mapalago pa. And sila din yung mga nagpapautang sa kanilang mga country members upang ang kanilang economy ay mas mapabuti, mapatatag at mas mapalago. So, the International Monetary Fund have a 191 members. But now, I am only mentioned 10 country members they have. So number 1 is the Belgium, Bolivia, Canada, China, France, Egypt, Norway, Peru, Iceland, and Iraq. And the International Monetary Fund, as I've said earlier, it plays a crucial role. It plays a crucial role in fostering monetary cooperation and promoting high employment, sustainable economic growth. That's all, and thank you for listening.